According to the World Health Organization, about 300,000 people in the country were diagnosed with TB in 2021 and about 56,000 died from the disease. The only TB vaccine used in the country is BCG, given to babies after birth. The BCG vaccine was first used in 1921, prompting the need for an update. Developers say they achieved 100% protection outcome in animal model trials for the DNA vaccine that does not need cold storage.
We are currently on the preclinical stage. That means we did a few immunogenicity studies in different animal models. So, for example, in rabbits, in different mouse types. And just recently we finished the effectivity study. That means the infection study, where we looked how effective the vaccine works if the animal has been infected with tuberculosis, how good is the protection by the vaccine. And this is what we just finished. We used a special mouse model that is very susceptible for tuberculosis, and we were able to protect those mice completely. And that is actually currently our big finding.
One of the standout features of this vaccine is that when confronted with a real infection, the immune system can respond more swiftly and effectively. This novel approach, developed by Professor Deb van Hart, may well explain the vaccine's notable efficacy against TB.
The idea behind that is also to not have just a preventative vaccine. That means to prevent people to get the disease or to get even infected. Now, the idea is also to do a therapeutic vaccine, but of course we have not been able to show that yet, and we are investigating that as well. But from what we found and from our animal trials, we are very confident that it also might work as a therapeutic vaccine. That would mean if someone is infected already with MTB or even ill from MTB, then this person would have a chance to be cured by such a vaccine if it's a therapeutic vaccine.
This vaccine, if approved for the pharmaceutical market, will prove to be groundbreaking.
BCG has been available for over 100 years as a vaccine. No other TB vaccine exists, period. Nothing is on the market anywhere globally. In South Africa, we've been using BCG still to vaccinate babies, and furthermore, no DNA vaccine has ever been approved in South Africa as far as I know. So not only is it that we don't have any new TB vaccine, we also don't yet have a DNA vaccine, and there is also limited information on a combination of a bacterial and a viral vaccine, as we have done in this case. So here we have a TB vaccine combined with a SARS-CoV-2 vaccine, which is really a virus and a bacteria.
The two universities are currently compiling a preclinical module for the South African Health Products Regulatory Authority, SAPRA. They will then decide if there is sufficient evidence to continue to human clinical trials. Tebogo Pakedi, SABC News, Potchefstroom.